Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Melissa and I'm with Sew Yours. If you're brand new here, I design sewing patterns for bag making. I also sell hardware, zippers, sewing notions, and more on my website at sewyours.com. Wait a minute, something just isn't right. Hold on one second. Well, that's much better, isn't it? We got some color on the walls now. So I wanted to welcome you guys to the Sew Yours studio. So I did mention a couple months ago in a past video that I had gotten a new space that we were going to be remodeling and converting into the new Sew Yours studio. So I'm currently standing in the sewing studio section of the building, and then over to my left is the order processing section. I've been actually working out of this for the last couple of weeks, and I am loving how everything came out. We really took the time to plan out this space efficiently. We're utilizing all of our vertical and horizontal spaces to the max, and it's turned out great. So I'm going to be doing a tour video for you guys in the next couple of days, so you guys can look for that. I'll be posting that here on my YouTube channel. In the meantime, I just wanted to film a quick video on our Winter 2022 zipper collection that I just launched on my website this week. Thought I would just take a few moments to show you the colors on camera. And I also listed a brand new zipper pool this morning I wanted to show you. And then to complete the video, I wanted to share with you what I got at the Sew Magical Expo, which I think is about 6 to 8 weeks ago now. Since I was moving into the space, I just didn't have a chance to film any videos since then. So just wanted to take a couple of minutes to show you guys what I got, in case that's something that you might want to go ahead and check out, because all of the vendors that I bought from do sell all of their products online. So let's move into the 2022 Winter Zipper Collection. So this collection consists of 5 different zipper tape colors that are also available in nickel, rose gold, and gunmetal. It is a cohesive collection that is a cool color palette, kind of to emulate the snow. So I wanted to go ahead and go with some bright and airy colors for this particular collection. So the first color in our collection is baby pink. And as you can see here, it is a very light shade of pink. Then I paired that up with a warmer shade of pink, which we're calling Dusty Rose. The next color in the collection is our linen, which is kind of a creamy white color. And then we move into our blues. So we have a baby blue here, which is a beautiful shade of blue. And then we've got a darker blue, kind of like a bluish gray color that I am calling slate blue. So these are all available in 1, 3, and 5 yard increments. However, I've also gone ahead and made up 10 different trio packs for you. As you can see here on the screen, I've gone ahead and paired 3 different zipper colors together to make a nice little trio pack, or a nice cohesive collection for you. So you can shop individually by color, or you can just go ahead and pick your favorite 1 or 2 trio packs and go ahead and get those. Again, they're available in 1, 3, and 5 yards as well. And moving on, let me show you the brand new zipper pool that I just added to the website. And this here is our pink heart zipper pool. And it is a glitter zipper pool inside. So it's basically made with acrylic. And then inside of that, it's got this really pretty pink and silver glitter inside. This is available in nickel as well as rose gold. If you want to purchase any of these zipper tapes that I've shown you today, go ahead and check them out at sewyours.com. I'll go ahead and put a link in the description box below to the collection, so you can just check it out right from that link. Let's move on into what I got at the Sew Magical Expo. So I had a few vendors on my list that I knew that I wanted to hit up whenever I got there. One of them being Hannah Woodworking. I knew that I wanted to purchase a seam roller, which is what I got right here. This is the seam roller that Becky makes. And you might be asking, well, what is a seam roller used for? So I like to use the seam rollers whenever I am making bag handles or bag straps. It allows me to press the double-sided tape securely to the vinyl fabric and eliminates it from lifting up. And it also creases those seams really well. So I was really excited to be able to get this one. Now, this is the smaller version. She does make a larger version of it, but I have such small hands. I've got like child-size hands. So I just decided to go ahead with the smaller version, and it works out perfectly for me. The next thing that I knew I wanted to get when I was there was a seam ripper on a necklace cord. So just put it around your neck, just like this, And whenever you want to use it, you just pull it away because it's on a magnet right here. And then you can use your seam ripper. And this is such a beautiful rainbow that she went ahead and did, and it's got the sparkle in it, as you can see right here. Make sure, though, if you got one of these, you close up the seam ripper before you hang it back on your neck, because you'll stab yourself. Now, I have shown her work before, so I just wanted to quickly show you that these are the other two seam rippers that I've purchased from her as well. I kind of have an addiction now going with Becky's work. So I did get those, and yesterday she had come out with her lighters, which she didn't have at the show. So I went ahead and purchased online a lighter, which is already in the mail to me. Thank you, Becky. I can't wait to get that, and you might be wondering why a lighter. Well, whenever you have like cotton webbing or ribbon or anything like that, it's nice to seal off the end so it doesn't fray. Also, with your zipper tape, you can do that as well. So that's the only reason I use lighters. I don't smoke, and I don't have candles in my house, so I am using my lighter exclusively here in the studio. And let's see here. So that is all that I got from Becky Hanna. However, or I should call her Becky, from Hanna Woodworking. And however, when I was there at her booth, she was doing a daily raffle, so I went ahead and entered the raffle. And the next day, I got a phone call from Becky that I had actually won the prior day's giveaway. So I was super excited for that. And what I won was this gigantic seam ripper stiletto combo. So as you can see right here, here's your standard size seam ripper stiletto. And then look at this big mammoth one. This is gorgeous. She went ahead and used this beautiful purple heart wood in here. And as you turn it, you can really see how it sparkles and shines. And I'm going to tell you that I'm not going to lose this one, that's for sure, because you can't miss this one on the table. So thank you so much, Becky, for sending that to me. The next vendor that was on my list was Saya Swag Bags, so you guys all know her. And she was bringing her thread to the expo this year. And it just so happens to be that I was planning on placing an order on her website for a lot of her new colors. And when I heard that she was coming to the expo, I brought my suitcase and said, load me up. So I bought a bunch of her threads. So let me show you all of the thread that I have from Saya Swag Bag here. Now, the brand new ones are still wrapped in the plastic. So the other colors I've already had and I've used frequently. It is the only thread that I use now when making bags. So I highly recommend her thread. I have a Juki TL18QVP, which is a semi-industrial machine. On my top thread, I can use both text 45 and text 70. However, in my bobbin, I cannot use text 70. It is too thick, so I can only run text 45 through it. So when I first bought the thread from her, I decided to go ahead and purchase in both the text 70 and the text 45 to see what worked. I like, personally, the look of text 70, but like I said, my machine can't handle it in both locations. So all I do, since I have both the 70 and the 45, is that I just put the 70 up top and the 45 in the bobbin, and they work beautifully together, and it actually makes my bag straps look really good. Doesn't really matter that they're a little bit different in thicknesses on one side of the strap versus the other. But if you have the TL18QVP like I do, probably just go ahead and stick with the text 45. It'll work beautifully in your machine. I'll leave a link to her website in the description box below so you can check out her thread. Like I said, I highly recommend it, so go check it out. I'm also going to go ahead and post a link to Hanna Woodworking's website as well. Highly recommend her products. Go ahead and grab yourself a seam ripper stiletto combo, a lighter, whatever you might want to get from her website. She also does cutting boards, pizza cutters, you name it. A lot of beautiful work, beautiful items that she has there. And that is really the only two vendors that I hit up at the expo this year. That was all that was on my wish list, and very happy with the items that I did go ahead and get. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments box below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And stay tuned for that tour video in a couple of days. Thank you for watching.